Yeah, a vent cover.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You changing that light?
Yeah. Or I've got to go and get lights this
You
week.
should take it out before the painter paints, otherwise.
Well, it's all going to happen this week, isn't it? So I'll when I speak to Andrew the Sparky, I'll mention to him to take off that light fitting. Yeah.
All right.
Take it off, and the painter can
Yeah, you can go back through and paint it.
Yeah, and this one in the bathroom too, you know, before he goes and paints that. Good point, I'll do that. And
I look after you.
you do. I think it can be measured up for glass shower screen now that those tiles are in. Doesn't need to be grouted when he can measure up now.
The shower screen, no?
Yeah. Yep.